Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, right here, right now, allow your shoulders to soften just a little more with each exhale. This is your time. A sanctuary of stillness carved out of the noise of the day. There is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. The world outside can wait, because in this moment, your only task is to be present with the breath that flows in and out of you, effortlessly. Naturally. Notice the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and fresh, carrying with it a sense of new possibility. And as you exhale, feel the warmth of release, a gentle letting go of anything that no longer serves you. With each breath, you are already beginning to unwind, to soften, to release the tension that has been held in your body, perhaps for longer than you realize. This is the beginning of a profound transformation, a journey inward to a place of deep, abiding calm. You might be aware of thoughts passing through your mind, like clouds drifting across a vast sky. And that's perfectly okay. You don't need to push them away. Simply observe them with a gentle curiosity, knowing that you are not your thoughts. You are the vast sky itself, the silent witness, the unchanging awareness in which all thoughts arise and dissolve. Now, I want you to bring your attention to your body, starting with the very top of your head. Feel any tension in your scalp, your forehead, your jaw. And as you exhale, imagine that tension melting away, like warm honey flowing downward, releasing, softening. Let your jaw unclench, your tongue rest gently at the bottom of your mouth. Soften the muscles around your eyes, letting them become heavy and relaxed. If so, feel this wave of release moving down through your neck. Heal your shoulders. Thought, these are the places where stress so often lives, but with each breath, they are letting go. And as this wave of relaxation continues its journey down your arms, into your hands, and all the way to your fingertips, you might notice a warmth spreading through your chest. Each warmth is a sign that your body is responding, that it knows exactly how to release, how to heal, how to return to balance. Feel it flowing down your spine, releasing any tightness in your back. your torso, down through your hips, your legs, your feet, all the way to the ground beneath you. You are becoming heavier, more grounded, more connected to the earth. And with this grounding, there is a profound sense. Now, I invite you to take a journey with me, a journey into your own inner resources. Think of a time in your life, any time when you felt truly peaceful. It could be a memory of lying on a warm beach, the sound of waves gently lapping the shore, or a moment in a quiet forest surrounded by tall, ancient trees, the air filled with the scent of pine and earth. Or perhaps it's a memory of being held by someone you love, a feeling of complete safety and acceptance. Allow that memory to come into focus as vividly as you can. See what you saw then, the colors, the shapes, the light. Hear the sounds, whether it's the rustling of leaves, the gentle rhythm of breathing, or the comforting silence. And most importantly, feel what you felt in that moment. Say most, it staves at ni perfectioning, and for stowage to our radisting of leaves, the gentle rhythm of breathing, or the comforting silence. And most importantly, feel what you felt in that moment. Feel the peace spreading through your body, the calm washing over you, the deep sense of serenity. Let that feeling grow stronger, more intense with each breath you take. As you inhale, imagine that feeling of peace expanding, filling every cell of your body. As you exhale, let it deepen, becoming more solid, more real. This is your anchor, your personal resource of calm, a wellspring of tranquility that you can access anytime you need it. And as you feel this peace, I want you to press your thumb and index finger together, gently, creating a physical anchor for this state. Press them together now and feel the connection between that simple gesture and this profound sense of peace. Breathe into that connection. With every press, every breath, this anchor grows stronger, deeper, more automatic. You are literally rewiring your brain, creating a neural pathway that leads directly to calm, directly to peace, directly to your center. With every press, every breath, this anchor grows stronger, deeper, more automatic. You are literally rewiring your brain, creating a neural pathway that leads directly to calm, directly to peace, directly to your center. Shh. And you can release your fingers now, knowing that this anchor is always with you, ready to be activated whenever you choose. Now, with this anchor firmly in place, let's go even deeper, even deeper. You are not towed to the scod of fiver while committing even that. I want you to consider the nature of stress and anxiety, not as something you have, but as something that passes through you, like weather patterns in the sky. The anxiety is just a cloud, a passing storm, and storms always pass. They cannot touch the sky itself, just as they cannot touch your true essence. With every breath, you are remembering this truth, remembering that you are inherently calm, inherently peaceful, inherently whole. The stress you feel is simply a signal, a message from your body, and you can honor that message. Thank it for its service, and then let it go. You have the power to respond rather than react. You have the power to choose peace moment by moment, breath by breath. And now, as you rest in this expanded awareness, let these affirmations sink deep into your subconscious mind, planting seeds that will bloom into lasting transformation. I am calm. Flight, I am centered. I am peaceful. Right here, right now. With every breath I take, I am releasing stress and tension. With every exhale, I am letting go of what no longer serves me. I am in control of my inner world, and let release high this plight of boat fur prey. And with every choice, I am strengthening my inner peace. I breathe in tranquility. I breathe out tension. My breath is my anchor, grounding me in the present moment. My breath is my ally, guiding me back to calm again and again. I am resilient. I am strong. I have navigated every challenge in my life so far, and I have the wisdom and the strength to navigate this one. Each challenge is an opportunity for growth, and I grow stronger with each one. I trust in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. My mind is clear. My heart is open. My body is relaxed. I am a vessel of peace, and peace flows through me, filling every part of my being. I let go of the need to control everything. I surrender to the flow of life, trusting that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I release the past, for it is gone. I release the future, for it is not yet here. I am fully present in this moment, and in this moment, I am free. I am worthy of peace. I am deserving of calm. I deserve to feel good, and I give myself permission. Stress is a wave, and I am the ocean. The waves may rise and fall, but the ocean remains deep, vast, and undisturbed. I am the ocean of calm, and the waves of stress cannot touch my depths. I am the stillness at the center of the storm. And with each repetition, these truths are becoming more real, more integrated, more a part of who you are. Your subconscious mind is listening, learning, and creating new patterns of peace. The old patterns of stress and anxiety are loosening their grip, dissolving like morning mist in the warmth of the sun. The old patterns of stress and anxiety are loosening their grip, dissolving like morning mist in the warmth of the sun. And the ocean, this truth are being rewired for calm. You are being reprogrammed for peace. And this transformation is happening now with every breath you take. Now, I want you to bring your awareness back to that anchor we created earlier. Press your thumb and index finger together again and feel the wave of peace that immediately washes over you. Feel how easily it comes, how naturally it flows. This is your resource, your tool, your key to calm, and it is always within reach. Practice this anchor in your daily life. When you feel stress rising, press your fingers together and take a deep breath. Feel the calm return instantly, effortlessly. This is the power of your mind, the power of your intention, the power of your own inner. And as we begin to bring this meditation to a close, I want you to take one final, deep, cleansing breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension, any lingering stress, any trace of anxiety. This is all go, knowing that you can always return to this place of peace. 5. Feel the calm in your body, the clarity in your mind, the openness in your heart. This is your true nature. This is who you really are. And you carry this peace with you. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you're all Eller. In the days ahead, you'll notice